Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and enabling the developer layer. First, make sure battery is over 50% and you have a reliable connection. Sudden power loss or disconnect can brick the device. Next, tap Settings about phone, then tap Build number 7 times to reveal developer options. Once shown, open Developer Options and toggle on USB debugging. This unlocks the bridge between your PC and device so you can issue commands. Make sure you accept any debugging prompts that appear on the phone. Once USB debugging is active, locate the OEM unlocking switch inside Developer Options and enable it. You may need to confirm with your PIN or password because this lifts the bootloader restriction. After that, connect to a computer with ADB and Fastboot installed and authorize the PC when the device prompts. Use a DB reboot bootloader to enter Fastboot. Then run the appropriate unlock command, standard Fastboot OEM unlock, or an Oppo-specific Fastboot. To finish, verify the bootloader status. The device often factory resets after unlocking, so ensure you backed up data. Once unlocked, reboot and confirm you can flash images or custom recovery. Make sure to follow model-specific instructions. If Fastboot commands fail, reinstall USB drivers, update platform tools, and retry. Faulty drivers are the most common blocker. If the phone remains locked or shows error messages, consult the Oppo OEM policy for your exact model or contact support. This resolves account locks or carrier restrictions in many cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.